My YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to change server in Valorant. So guys, if you want to change the server in the Valorant, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all, you understand the Valorant regional system. So guys, Valorant accounts are tied with the specific geographical region up to creation. So this region determine which server cluster your primary on play. So attempting to play outside or assigned region server, so changing your core account region is not as simple in the game setting. But if you want to change, so guys, first of all, checking your current region, open the web browser and navigate to the accounts.riots.com, where you log in with your rights id and look for the riot id and account manager section. Then your current account resident region will be clearly displayed here. After that, you go to the Riot's game player support website and submit a new support ticket explaining you need for region transfer. Clearly state your current region and desired new region and provide any requested document or the reason for the change. Riot support will review your request based on their specified policy. Be aware, successful transfer might be impact some game related data or the process. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day.